Still on there. Oh, that's a good crappie too. I thought that was a catfish. Whoo, that's a good crappie. I thought she was a kitty. That's a Big Shirley. First thing in the morning. First thing in the morning, Big Shirley. What is happening, YouTube? Here we go. Here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know it makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale. And I got a couple hours before I got to hit the clock, before I got to go to work. So I figured I'd come out here on Lake Oconee, see if I can catch me some of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So this is the first fish of the day. It is just right after 7 o'clock in the morning. And I got about 2 hours that I could fish. So I'm going to try and get in. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead, hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me catching more, me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil, but sure enough tasty crappie. Hey baby, I love you. So let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them. I don't think she gonna make it. She ain't gonna make it. Small fish this one is. She ain't big, but she won. Go on out of here now, get. Might have been 10 inches. Might have been. Well, I done broke off. I gotta retie my line. That's the one I got in the bucket. She curls up in the bucket. Got him. Had to go deep down in there to get this one, but we got him. I don't know what this fish gonna do. I'm gonna check it to see if it'll curl the bottom. She might be close. No, I don't think she's even gonna be close. All the way down there in this little bitty fish. Let me go scale it just for my calibrations. Got him. That's a good fish. I feel like, yeah, that's a good one. I'm just gonna get, that's a good fish. She's a good one. Caught this one on this ledge out here. Little brush pile sitting on top of a ledge. So I gave the trees up this morning because the tree bite wasn't biting. So got to go to work in a little bit. Come on. She gonna make it too. I ain't got that much time left. That's a good fish, good quality fish. One shot, one kill. Keep her. She gonna make the cut. Uh-huh.
So, gotta replace.
She put up a little bit of a fight. I think I'm gonna get these to somebody, so I'm gonna keep some fish this evening. I'm gonna get these away. Somebody like them whole fryers. Where do you think you're going? Now, snatch me and then try to run off. Come on here, girl. That's a nice fish. That one's good. Oh, yes. Yes, she is. Get on in the boat. Get on in here. Come here, Shirley. I saw her hit the... Come here, girl. I saw her hit the jig and try to swim off like, come here. Where do you think you're going, huh? Come here. I got somewhere for you to go. That's a good... She might be right at 12 inches. Either way it goes, she's going to curl the bottom of that bucket. So, folks, this is my evening edition. I went out this morning, I only caught 3 fish. I only kept 3 fish. I went out this morning, I only kept 3 fish. All right, YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this morning edition of Crappie Fish with Drysdale. Gotta go to work. I think probably caught about 4 or 5 fish, but I only kept 3. So they're in my live well. So folks, thanks for watching. I gotta go punch that time clock. As always, I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who leaves these comments. My subscribers, you already know what it is. My long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across my channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, let me get one of these fish. Go ahead, hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever might be fishing with, catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.